hoopers, Tanuki here. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do a continuous circuit between C-roll and K-roll, which looks like this. Here's a variation. Alright, so you have two prerequisites. They're of course your C-roll or lazy roll and your K-rolls. If you know head tracers, that's helpful too, but if not, I'll break that down. As a bonus, I'll link in the comments or description this little trick, because it includes a head tracer, and I'll kind of break that down also. So I'm going to start by describing this tutorial in the simplest of terms with cues. That way, if you know all these cues, you can just watch it and move on. And if you don't, I'm going to give you more detail and a slow motion. So, in the simplest of terms, if you are facing your right hoop and left hand, facing left hoop and right hand, I am going to show you with my hoop in my left hand, so I'm facing my right. Simplest of terms, you will complete one C-roll, head tracer, stick your arm out, half of a roll, regrip, starting point. Yay! All right. To break it down, if you already have your prerequisite C-roll, now how do you do that head tracer? You can see that I'm gripping the hoop on the outside. Allow it to just drop, so it's just floating on my fingertips. Bring it behind your body, behind your head, haha, tracer. Stick your arm out, complete like half of this roll. Now this is the tricky part of regripping. I'm here, but I need to somehow end up over there for a C-roll. So allow the momentum to just drop the hoop, turn, outside of the hoop, and you're at starting point again. So I'm going to show you this portion in slow-mo because I think that might be the hardest part. You might think, how could that regrip ever look, continuous and smooth? It's like anything, just practice it a lot and it's going to look like one slow motion. But here's that portion in slow-mo. One more time. So that's the first variation. The second variation, everything's the same except for the last portion. You're going to complete your C-roll, complete your head tracer. Instead of just doing this half roll here, literally actually grab your hoop now. Sorry, my room's really small. And just flip it. Ignore my left hand right now. Look at my right hand. Just pretend like you're turning a doorknob, okay? I'm going to re-grab it again. Because you want it to stay on the same plane. You don't want your hoop to flip back and forth. K-roll, regrip, C-roll. Head trace, so same thing. I want it to be on this plane, so just flip it up. K-roll, C-roll, head trace, half roll, C-roll, head trace, K-roll. I hope that's thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or comment. Happy hooping. Bye.